Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Insert tab not showing in Microsoft Word document. So guys, as we can see, we have this document and here you try to find out Insert tab, so it's not appear. So to resolve this problem you can try this method. Click on File, Options, now here click on Customize Ribbon, and in this list you have to find out Insert tab. So check this box, then click on OK. Now you are able to see this Insert tab. So this is the method guys, you can show or hide any tab from this top bar in Microsoft Word document. Same method, File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and you can show or hide. That's it. So thanks for watching.